Hey there, and welcome to Earth Network. In today's video, we're diving into everything you need to know about robins. Let's get started. Robins have been a long-time favorite in the UK, and they're even considered the country's unofficial national bird. And here's some good news for bird lovers: their population is actually growing. Right now, they're the 7th most common backyard bird, with nearly 7.5 million robins living across the UK. These birds are pretty small, with a wingspan of about 21 centimeters and weighing just 14 to 21 grams. Their standout feature is that bright red or orange chest and face. The rest of their